We are going to the Wallowa Lake from Portland, Oregon. And we're having some dancing time right now in the car. On the way, we saw the Multnomah Falls on the side. We also saw a dam. We got bored over the time, but it was pretty fun. Next, we stopped for a coffee break at Pendleton. We saw all our friends that were going to come camping with us there. Then we continued our journey to the campsite. After a 7 hours drive, we finally reached our destination. Hi guys, I'm going camping. And it's my first time camping. And my dad's setting up the tent over there. So I'll head it on over there. We're building my tent right now. Me and my friends played all the time. We mostly played badminton. The adults did too. Every day, this little group of deers would always come to visit at our campsite. This is what our tent looks like. In the inside, our tent is medium-sized. We have 2 air beds inside. We have an extra little room that like a little place. There's a creek beside it, our campsite. We usually walk there every day at the camping area. We even went inside it. It was really cold though, so I could barely stand in the water. I was impressed by the people who could stand in there. I mostly just sat on a log and played with a fishing net. The best part of camping is to have a campfire and roast some marshmallows, of course. So this is our time when we roasted our marshmallows. The next day, we had Maggie for breakfast. Kinda unusual, but it just happened. This is me and my friend Tania sitting in the chairs eating our breakfast. We woke up late, so we had to stay up. Stay together and eat breakfast.
Yeah.
Then everybody went into my friend's tent, and we had some fun coloring and playing inside the tent.
At least at that point doesn't count because I didn't.
So here, my mom went on a walk and she took a little bit of where she went. So this is what she did. After that, we had some corn on the cob and a little bit of meat for dinner. The dad set up the grill and we grilled, and they grilled the food for the rest of the people. We roasted marshmallows again too. The parents had some alcohol while the kids roasted marshmallows. Next, after all that camping, on the last day, we went to the Wallowa Lake Tram. This is when we were waiting to go on the tram. It was a long wait. I got really bored. I was wearing all my snow gear to go inside, to go up the mountain, and it was kind of sunny on the bottom, so I was really hot too. Finally, we got inside of the tram.
Ready, steady, go.
The blue lake on the side is the Wallowa Lake itself. When we got to the top, I played in the snow with all my friends. I threw snowballs at my friends too. This is my friend throwing a snowball at me and me making one to throw it back at her. When we got to the top of the mountain, we took a couple of photos and enjoyed the view. Then we got down. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye!